What if you could build an affiliate blog that keeps publishing content even while you sleep? Most affiliate marketers fail for one simple reason. Creating content consistently is exhausting. Finding products, writing articles, designing thumbnails, posting on WordPress, creating Pinterest pins, doing SEO day after day. Eventually, most people burn out before their blog ever has a chance to grow. But what if AI could handle the heavy lifting for you? Introducing Affiliate Autopilot AI. An AI-powered affiliate content automation system designed to help you turn Amazon products into complete affiliate blog posts automatically. Simply import products, organize them by topic, and let the system generate content, create thumbnails, publish articles, and even automate Pinterest marketing. No complicated dashboards, no endless manual work, no staring at blank pages trying to figure out what to write next. Affiliate Autopilot AI helps transform your affiliate workflow into a scalable content machine. Build product-focused articles, discover products faster, automate publishing, and grow your content pipeline consistently. Whether you are building a niche site, scaling multiple affiliate blogs, or starting your first side hustle, Affiliate Autopilot AI was built to save time, simplify content creation, and help you publish more consistently than ever before. This is not just another AI writing tool. It is a complete affiliate automation system designed for modern affiliate marketers. Affiliate Autopilot AI. Automate, create, publish, drive traffic, all on autopilot.